Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how you can create a WordPress website by step. So I will show you the buying process, that how you can buy the web hosting and web domain and set up the whole website. So in this video we will be creating a website like this one. So you will be able to change the complete website template and you can put your all information right here. So let's start making this website. Now you need to visit bluehost.com from the link in the description to get some extra bonus. But if you visit from the default link, then you don't get any bonus. So then click here, get started. Here are some plans which you can choose for yourself, and you can choose what kind of plan you want. So let's suppose we want this plan for basic plan for our website. And if you're a beginner and creating your first e-commerce site or first blog site, then you should choose this one. You have to click select, and here it shows a domain name page where you can choose a domain name for your website. You can choose now or you can choose later. And one more thing, you get a 1 year free domain with this basic plan. Then you need to pay for renewal. So let's get a domain name for our website. Let's suppose we want howtowifi.com and click next, and it will look for the domain name, either it's available or not. So as you can see, it's not available for registration, so it's showing some suggestion that you can choose one of these. So now it's up to you that you can choose one of these extension for you. So I already have a domain name called howtowifi.net, so I'm gonna use that one. So let's click this one, and for the video purpose I will show you how you can buy a website hosting and domain. And here you can see the domain name is available. Now you can sign in with Google, or you can fill up these details and get started buying the website, domain name and hosting. Let's suppose, and here is some package information which you can choose, and it default it's selected to 36 month, but you can choose a minimum of 12 month. And as you can see, the more duration you choose, the better discount you get. But uh, for maybe it's okay to choose for 12 months, so I'm going with this package right here. And here are some package extras, and if you want to tear down your price, you can simply uncheck this. And for this one, it's a basic privacy option. If you want your information being protected, then you should keep this check. But if you want to tear down some more price, you simply uncheck this one and click here, turn it off. And as you can see, your price is now very low. And here you can add some payment information. Your payment information, after putting all the details, you have to simply click the checkbox and click submit, and it will show you some verification email which you need to verify, and it will show you some invoice. And then you need to log into your Bluehost web account. It's logging in, and it will ask for you some few pages. Then you can simply click skip, and you can create a website username and password for WordPress. And after that, you will see the Bluehost dashboard where you can add you can create a site. So I'm going to create a website, and here are some two main options where you can choose one of these to create your website. First one is the WordPress only, where you can limitlessly customize your website. And second one is fast and easy building with the Bluehost website builder. And if you want to minimize your work, you can simply click here, start building. But if you want to have full control of your website, you can simply click here, get started. So here you can name your website. It will show as a website title. So I'm going to add how to Wi-Fi, and you can add a tagline which will show right under your website title. So let's post create useful videos So you can click on advanced and you can add an email address, WordPress admin panel, WordPress admin password if you want, but I'm going to simply next. And if you want to access your WordPress account, you can simply access by Bluehost at dashboard. It's very easy, and here you can simply check these plugin if you want to install. I'm going to uncheck this because I don't need any one of these right now. I will install them later if I want. So click next. And one more thing, try to avoid the minimal load on your web server as possible. And here you can see, here is your WordPress admin panel where you can change all the details of your website. So let's visit our site, that how it looks. So as you can see, it comes with the default template of WordPress. So let's add a theme for our website. So to add a theme, you can simply add from here. But if you want a good looking theme and want to minimize your work, you can simply do, and let's suppose you want to add a new theme, and from here you can add the theme that you want. Let's suppose you want maybe this theme, and you can preview the theme you want. So as you can see, it's gonna look like this one. Sorry. Okay, let's add a cool theme. Maybe before choosing that theme, let's click here and see how it's gonna look like. So it's looking pretty nice. Let's install this one, and it can take up to 10 seconds or maybe 3 minutes, depend on what kind of hosting you have. So click on active, and it will active this theme for our website. So it's active. Now refresh the page of your website to see the changes. Alright, here is our website template. Now you can see there is no content, no images. So if you want to import some content to your website and want a pre-built theme, then you can simply need to install a plugin. Click on add new, and from that plugin you can simply import a pre-made template to your website. You can search for Astra, and from here you have to install this one, starter templates. Click on install now and click on active, and you have to scroll down and select this one, see library. Here you need to choose the Elementor. It's a page builder which helps you to build your website very quickly and easily, and these are good, but this one is best. You need to click the Elementor. It's very easy and very efficient. So click here. So here are some pre-made templates which you can choose for your website, and you have to make sure that you have selected the free one. But if you want to select a premium, you can simply do this by clicking here, and you can select the category of your theme. So let's select the blog one, and here you can see here is our template, but I'm going to select all. Here you can select the theme for your website. So let's suppose we want to select this one for our website. So let's click on here, import complete site, and here you need to answer some simple question. I am a WordPress expert, or you can choose whatever you want. Let's choose intermediate, and I am creating a website for myself or my client. You can choose any one of these, and you can click next, and here you can add your first name and your work email, or you can simply click on skip, and it will start installing the theme to our website. So it can take up to 2 to 5 minutes, depends on what kind of web hosting you have. So let's wait for the process to be finished. As you can see, it says imported successfully. So now you can visit site, and close this one. And here you can see it's active to our WordPress website. You can see the domain name right here. So now if you want to change the content here, you want to change the images, you want to change the text, or you want to add some new images right here, you can simply click on right here, edit with Elementor, and you can start customizing this template. All right, our template is ready to be added. So now you can simply change a wonderful website, and you can simply change the alignment, you can change the text, explore the word. Now if you want to delete this section right here, you can simply click here, and as you can see this selection is straight deleted. And if you want to change the background image, or let's suppose you want to remove this background, you can simply click here and go to style, and here you can remove the background or simply change the background. So let's change the background to another image. Let's suppose you want to add this one as a background, so click on insert media, and as you can see it's added but it's fixed. So let's add to default, and it will scroll right. Okay, let's choose another image. So let's choose this one and insert media. So as you can see it's added. So now if you want to add a overlay to the this picture, you can simply click here and choose a color that you want to overlay. Let's click this one, and you can change the opacity, but you can here you can choose a blend mode. For overlay I'm going to choose this one, lighten, and it's looking pretty much odd. Let's suppose you want to add a greener looking, but maybe this one. Okay, that's how you can pretty much change anything. So let's suppose you want to add a new section, so you can click here, add section, and there you can simply import a template or import a new page, and you can add some widgets, and you can select the structure, that what kind of structure you want. So let's suppose we want a structure like this, or this, maybe this one, and here you can click on the plus icon, and you can add the what kind of thing you want. Let's add a WP form. All right, no, let's add this at the end section because it will look cool. Let's add here and select this section, and click on plus icon, and from here add a WP form and select this as a contact form. Okay, it will show right here. Okay, it's here, and from here you can add a map as well if you want to. Let's add a map, and also you can change the location, that what location you want to show right here, and you can zoom in or zoom out. So let's keep this as it is, and you can change the height also if you want to. So it will like keep this as it is. Okay, it's looking pretty nice. So that's how you can add. Also you can add an image right here, and if you want to change the position, you can simply click here, and let's suppose you want to change the position of a picture. You can do this by clicking on the selecting the images, and you can simply drag and show wherever you want. So let's change this as it was before. Okay, and if you want to add a website logo, then you need to simply first save the changes, or you can simply leave them as it was before, but I'm going to date it as it was before. After that you have to click right here, and you need to go to site settings, and from here you can change the logo as well as other settings of the website. click here site identity, and as you can see, you can change the fonts, you can change the colors, also more things. So I'm going to change the logo as well. Click site identity, and here you can again you can change the site name and site description. So okay, from here choose a logo for our website. I'm going to upload a new logo. All right, I have uploaded a website logo, and here you can add alt text, title, caption or description if you want to, but I'm going to leave it as it is. And click on insert media, and from here you can see it will be shown right here. Click on update, and if it is not showing right here, you can simply refresh this page and you will see all the changes right here. Like okay, it's now let's all right, if it's not changed by here, you can go to dashboard, and we try to change it by the WordPress admin panel. And from here you need to go to appearance and go to customize. From here you can change the website logo and some other settings as well. So let's go to edit builder, and here you have to click on the site identity and logo, and from here you can change the logo again. From here change image, and I already have uploaded a logo. Choose image, and let's see how. As you can see, it's changed right here. So you can change the width of the logo. That's looking pretty good. Okay, here you can choose to if you want to show the site title or not. If you click here, it will show right here. Okay, how to Wi-Fi, and let's add a tagline as well, but I'm going to disable this. I don't want to show the tagline and the name of the website. Okay, after making the changes you can go back, and if you want to change the menus right here, you can simply go to menus and menu, and from here you can add a menu. Let's add a new menu called blog. Click on add, and it will be added right here. So as you can see, our blog page is right here, and you can change the position as well. It's loading. So now as you can see, our blog page is right here, and let's change some other settings as well. Go to publish, and let's visit our website to see the changes. The logo will be updated, and we will have a blog page right here. So as you can see, our blog page is right here, but we don't have a website logo. It will refresh over time. But if you want to, now let's suppose you want to add a new post and want to show on the blog page right here. So let's go to dashboard, and let's add a new post. And before adding a post, let's set this one as our blog post right here. So now you have to go to writing right here, reading. You have to go to reading, and from here you can select post page to blog page. You have to simply click on save changes, and your changes will be saved. And after that you need to add a new post by here. Click on add new, and here you can add a post title. Let's add post for testing, and you can add a description as well. Let's add something random. Let's suppose this one. And if you want to add an image, you can set image right here. Let's select the image one of these. Okay, let's select this one maybe. Okay, the default one or this one. Set featured image and it will be set right here. After setting the image, you can select one of these. You can add permalinks, you can select the category, you can add tags, and after putting all the details you have to simply click on publish, and let's see how it goes. All right, you have to click on view post, open in a new tab, and here you will see you will have your blog post right here. Now let's go to home page, and if you want to make a section right here to show the recent blog post, you can simply click here, edit with Elementor. From here scroll down and choose where you want to show the recent post. Let's suppose we want to show right here. Click on add and plus icon and select this template right here. Click add and here search for post, and you can see the recent post tab, and you have to drag this plugin right here and drop here, and you will see the changes. So now as you can see, all the recent posts will be shown right here. Click on apply and update to see the changes. Now let's go back to our website and see how it looks. To visit a website, you can simply click here and visit site. Scroll down and you will see the recent post right here. And after making all the changes, when you want to publish your site, you have to simply click here and you can launch your website. Here it will show you some steps to follow. You can start with your home page, add contact page, and you can follow all the steps, or but I'm going to simply launch the site, and that's how you can launch your website. That's all for now. I hope this video was helpful for you. So like the video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.